welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I got my package via FedEx and it took about 3 days to get to me. Now this is from a company called NABEAUTY, and yeah, this is my first time working with this company. So far so good. They did send over their social media, an elastic band. They also sent some mink lashes, which I've never tried, so I'm impressed. And they also sent over some wig caps.
You at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this.
So this is the wig, you guys, and it is a lace front, and I'll have all of the specs and details down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. So again, this is a lace front, and do you see all of that parting space you guys get? Like, it's about 6 inches of parting space before the wig turns into tracks. And yeah, there's 3 combs in the front, one really long nice comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps.
So goodbye, my love.
So as you guys saw in the intro, this wig obviously did not come straight. I did go ahead and straighten it, and you'll see that in the video. So yeah, here you just see me cutting the lace off, and this lace is really soft and it did blend in with my skin very well. As you guys can see, I didn't have any issues at all. It actually fit perfectly, so I'm pretty happy with that. I did go ahead and use my Bold Hold Active. Yeah, Bold Hold Active to adhere it to my head because I knew I wanted to keep this wig on for a few days. So I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with this wig, how I wanted to style it. I didn't know if I wanted to keep with the wet look or just go ahead and straighten it. So I opted to straighten the hair because as I was playing with it, I realized it would look better straight. So here I'm just playing with those baby hairs. You guys are going to see me cut them and just, you know, try to style them up and make them look as realistic as possible, because this wig can honestly use some plucking, and you guys know I'm not about that plucking life, so that's not gonna happen, not today. But anyway, I just, you know, finesse these little baby hairs, and you don't really have to, but I feel like with the curlier wigs, baby hairs just look so much better. So I did use my Got to Be Glued gel to adhere that to my head. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video, you guys, and I'll be back to tell you a little bit more how I feel about this wig.
See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. So here I'm just going to be straightening half of the wig. I'm not going to do the whole half on camera because it's very time consuming, but I definitely wanted to show you guys how 2 passes and the wig is straight. So I didn't have to do much to it. And I don't know, you guys, let me know what you think. Do you like the curlier side better? Do you like the straight side better? Of course, I need to go through it a little more because there's still some curly parts. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and yeah, we'll talk about that. So this is a wig. Like, I'm really happy with it. I absolutely love it. I love the straight look. I don't know, the curly look is just not it for me, but I did go ahead and just added some curls because I wanted you guys to see how the wig holds a curl. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in this unit, again, this is from a company called NABEAUTY. All of the information will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. And also, one con about this unit, you guys, just one con, it does shed quite a bit. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the coloring of the unit. You know, seeing as how it's bleached, it is shedding quite a bit. Hopefully that shedding will stop throughout time. But I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated. Just keep checking the description box and I'll update you guys on if it stops shedding or not. But other than that, the wig is really nice. I love it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.